Let's create some incredibly simple DIY AirTag cases. To make this, you will need some PU leather, also known as faux leather or vegan leather, along with a thread and a needle. Additionally, I'll be using the LaserPecker2 to cut, pre-perforate and engrave the material. So the first step is to design the cutting pattern. I'm using the symmetry tool to create the silhouette for cutting, and don't worry, I will provide some downloadable patterns as well. In this example, I will demonstrate a basic cut pattern, but feel free to get creative with the shape as you progress. It is crucial to ensure that the front circular cutout isn't too large, otherwise when the material gets stretched, the AirTag may pop out. I am using a diameter of 2 cm, which is approximately 0.78 inch. Notice how I've marked the stitching holes as well on the pattern to be laser cut. This will make the stitching super easy and ensure that there is an even distribution of the stitches. I've prepared 3 layers for the laser cutting, one of the front face, one of the back, and one which will be the engraved pattern for the back. I've included the pattern with the overall shape to simplify my process, but feel free to engrave the graphics separately if you prefer. The material has 2 sides, one leather effect and one with the fabric effect. I've experimented with leather etching both sides facing up and down, and I've noticed that the faux leather side up, you will see the black burn mark from the cut, and I personally like this effect better, so I'll be using it with the faux leather side up. For the cutting process, I'm using 100% power, 20% depth and 3 passes for this particular material, but it will require some trial and error and experimentation for you to determine what is the optimal setting for your specific material. When it comes to stitching, you have the opportunity to get creative with different types of stitches, thread colors and thickness. In this example, I will be using a simple orange thread, but toward the end of the video you can see how it looks with more contrasting thread colors. Feel free to explore different options of both sides of the case. You can choose to have the AirTag exposed on both sides or only on one side, and then that allows you to engrave graphic on the other side. And the shape of the inner cutout is also customizable, so that would allow you to achieve a more decorative effect if you want. Lastly, I've included some basic variation and attachment method and stitch colors so you can see a bit how it looks. Let your creativity flow and don't hesitate to share the result with me. Happy crafting!